welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Yes, Saturday, a day of rest for most people. I still have a couple things that I'm working on. I'm trying to put the Soup Symphony cookbook to bed this weekend. In other words, I'm trying to get it to Amazon. I got everything except the actual, guts of the book up to Amazon. I got one more proofreader, and it's not Robin. I'm going to be contacting a gentleman named Jeff this afternoon to see if he can get it done. Now, I'm going to be going through it as well. All right, today, actually last night, it's early. I prepared savory chicken and veggie rice bowl. I didn't like, let's just start that over. Savory chicken and veggie rice bowl. It was very good, a lot of fun. You can have fun with this. I chose veggies out of my freezer, which consisted of corn, peas, and carrots, my favorites. The chicken was a breaded chicken cutlet. They're not cutlets. What I had is not cutlets. But they were breaded chicken, frozen, that I had from a previous recipe many months ago. What I didn't like was the fact that they just used soy sauce. The recipe just called for soy sauce. So I have in my back pocket, sip my hip here, my back pocket, what I call an everything stir-fry sauce. It's very good. It's tangy. I'm trying to figure out how to include this into the recipe that I post up today. I'll probably make it all in one, which require just a little bit of rewriting of the method, aka instructions. But I will get it up there. It's really good. A lot of fun. You could use broccoli. You could use asparagus. You could use you name it. You could use it, veggie wise. Today, I kind of switched things up. I decided yesterday evening that I'm going to switch things up on what I'm doing today. I was originally supposed to going to do this tomorrow. You get the idea. I don't need to go through the whole thing. Basically, I'm doing a pasta dish with sauteed onions and red bell pepper. It's based on Pasta Aglio Olio. Yeah, so let's take a look. Got the hardware going. Dutch oven for the pasta. My favorite colander. I love my colander. Yes, colander, Dutch oven, and probably a saute pan in there later on. I'm using mini penne. As you know, it's one of my favorite pastas. I'm going to cut up half of this red bell pepper. I have half of a yellow onion from yesterday, actually. Extra virgin olive oil. I'll refill this bottle. But yeah, we'll be using some EVOO. Some kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, of course. Butter, gotta have butter. And some red chili pepper flakes. That's simple. I'm trying to keep things simple. So not only do I have the Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors coming out, but I have another special secret. I'm diligently working on it. I think there's only 2 people in the world that know about this. One's my therapist. But yeah, I've been working on it very diligently over the last several weeks. I'm trying to figure one of the last pieces out. I got some other notes, to-do lists that are very simple. I just need to get them done. So I got the new cookbook coming out, and I got this special secret coming out. So on this Saturday, and it's going to be rainy here in Southern County, California. Stay dry. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun cooking.